What's going on, guys? It's Justin here at Summit Racing, and whether it's a perfect race day or not so perfect, or even this, it's always racing season here. And that's because we're putting our own racing simulator together with GTR Simulator products we carry right here at Summit Racing. So even on the days we can't get out to the track, we can go sim racing and feed our need for speed. So what pieces are we going to be using to build our setup? We'll cover that in this video, and then we'll take you through the assembly process in part 2. Now, let's get to the unboxing. We'll start out on the rig itself, and if you don't know, the rig is essentially the main framework that holds all the various pieces together. The frame itself is manufactured from durable alloy steel and powder coated in your choice of black, silver, or white. And another box. It offers adjustable pedal angles, steering wheel position, and steering wheel angle. It also has an adjustable shifter mount and frame length. These were designed and tested by professional racers, and they're tailored for all ages 3 and up. So it looks like we got all our hardware here, and they can comfortably accommodate from 32 inches all the way up to 7 feet. All our nice braces here, and just looking at this stuff, the powder coat on this looks absolutely awesome. We have what looks to appear to be our seat frame. We have our seat adjusters here. I don't know what's in this box yet. But it is labeled right, so we're gonna leave that in its box. Not sure what's in this one either, but it's kind of heavy. Some more miscellaneous metal pieces. I'm sure we'll need that. And another box. That is one thing I will say about these guys over at GTR Simulators, is they package this stuff really well. Ooh, look at that. Nice and shiny. Just have a couple more boxes in here. Oh, there's our sister box. That one's labeled left, so we'll put those together. This is some big square tubing. Not sure where those go. And one more box. Ooh, this one's heavy. Ooh, look at that. Just show this off for a second, guys. Nice fancy big GTR Simulators logo. And that's it for this box. Next up, we have the GTR Simulator RS30 Ultra Steering Wheel. A few features to note of the RS30 include aluminum construction surrounded by realistic suede leather, solid aluminum paddle shifters for instant gear shifting, adjustable wheel rake angle from 0 to 15 degrees to support the most ergonomic comfort, removable steering wheel and hardware upgrade friendly components, non-contact position sensing technology that is more durable and reliable than ever before, and a sturdy metal base to keep everything together. Set those aside. Take this one out next. A few other things to note regarding our choice of steering wheel is it uses helical gears, which produce less noise than other designs, especially at medium to high speed use. The wheel also has a switch that allows you to choose between 270 degrees of lock-to-lock rotation for more like an arcade-style feel, or 900 degrees of rotation to create a more realistic professional racing simulation. Here's what our steering wheel attaches to. Look how nice and pretty that thing is. It also includes something from GTR called force feedback to deliver outstanding racing experience. Everybody's favorite, the racing wheel. Look how cool that is. And like one of my favorite features is the paddle shifters on the back. Here we have our GTR Pedal Simulator V3 Pro pedals. These are premium stainless steel pedals, and they're ideal to use with the RS30 Ultra Wheel. These pedals are made for a combination of metal and ABS plastic. They have spring suspension for progressive brake and throttle feel that GTR says mimics real-life pedal force. The pedal frame itself is made to create the feeling of a footwell limits and similar to what you'd encounter in a real-life race car. And lastly, there are 9 different lateral positions to find your sweet spot in between upright and recline. Look at that. Look how cool those are. And that's actually just it for this box. Our next box contains our seat, and comfort is key, so you don't want to sacrifice in this area. Featuring included lateral stitching and the GTR lettering, racing-inspired integrated head restraints, and deep side bolsters, this seat offers 4-way adjustability and are wrapped in simulated leather that's available in 7 different color combinations. Look at that sweet seat back. And this thing has some nice weight to it. Like, you can definitely tell that this is high quality. Seat bottom. Go ahead and just set that over here. Ooh, that was almost dangerous, guys. There's a whole bunch of packing peanuts in this box. I almost just spilled everywhere. And these are just our seat brackets. Those are for the adjustable back. And that's it for this box. One of the key decisions you'll have to make when deciding on your setup is the monitors. And our last box includes the GTR Simulator's triple monitor stands. These stands give us the ability to accommodate 3 displays up to 39 inches and is compatible with the industry standard VESA 200mm by 100mm mounting pattern. These mounts are manufactured by the same durable steel that the frame is made of and come in black, silver, or white. So it'll be a nice match to the rest of your simulator. Like to be the main frame for monitor mount. Along with all the supporting structure. So I know, guys, it's a little bit hard to believe, and we have all this stuff that we took out of these boxes and we have no idea how it all goes together, but this is what it's gonna look like when we're done. So let's get the rest of the bubble wrap, all this stuff, get it all laid out, and see what we exactly have here. So here it is in all its glory. Now, one item you may notice that's missing from all these boxes is a good set of assembly instructions. That's why we're going to show you how to assemble all these GTR Simulator components in an upcoming video. So be sure to like and subscribe and punch that notification bell so you know when we post it. Until next time, I'm Justin with Summit Racing, and thanks for watching.